Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty from Raccoon Alley Creations, and I saw Corey Nauman, and apparently Corey and Tracy Fox were talking about just doing some 10 minute makes, so seeing what they could do in 10 minutes. And Corey is doing a lot of this and has a lot of great ideas. So what's on my desk is papers from the Boho Summer Challenge from Nonstop Paper Crafts and Line Dot Arrow. And so I'm going to do a 10-minute make. I'm going to go ahead, I fussy cut things out, and I've got a bunch of stuff on my desk. I'm going to go ahead and set my alarm here for 10 minutes. Okay, and then this envelope I pulled out yesterday. So there's a lot of things you can do with envelopes like this. This one I had, I tore the bottom end open, this one. So I have, this is open and this is closed. This could be a very simple, quick pocket or something. And also if you have them where you tear them open on this side, I like to do something else, which I may do at some point. So, but I'm gonna just do a real simple, quick pocket. Now you can see I've got some book pages here. I'm gonna start with those. Let's get my ink out here. Now these I tore with a tearing ruler with a rough edge here. Let me just, well, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna glue this right here at the bottom. So, now a pocket like this, depending on what you want to do with it, it could be a floating pocket, or you could glue it down in your journals. So, you know, kind of lots of options for ways to use it. Right there. This is the top. So I'm gonna bend this over onto the back. If you decorate the back, which I probably will, then you make it a floating pocket. You can put it in your journal with a paper clip, or use it to go inside other pockets. That's kind of fun. Okay, now let's see what we've got here. I'm going to tear this. I have friends who tease me about how fast I make things. So when I saw this 10-minute challenge, I thought, well, I guess that's kind of perfect for me, isn't it? So, and sometimes I think that my excuse is that I like it eclectic, but sometimes I think that I should spend more time working on things than I do. So, whoops. Come on, you worked just a minute ago. Let's put this right up there. And now, let's do this one. ingot. So really, in a way, this is all kinds of different kinds of challenges. It's the stuff on my desk challenge. It's the 10-minute makes challenge. It's the boho summer challenge. You know, just all kinds of things we're having fun with here. I actually wasn't thinking that I was planning on doing something completely different with this envelope, but I like this. This is fun. Okay, let's cut this off. Let's cut this off. Okay, now of these pieces, I'm going to go ahead and glue this into the back of the envelope so that even if there's no tag or anything in it, it'll still look pretty. And this is one of the easiest ways. I did a video once quite a while ago about different ways to make window pockets. So this is one easy way to make a window pocket. Let's see. We have here. There may be some pieces on my desk from the boho summer jam challenge too. So this time, I'm actually going to put the glue down here, down the side of the book page. Okay, and then I'm going to tear this off, and I'm going to tuck it over the top very gently, because I don't want to glue this page together. See if I did that right. If you've glued the page together, there's kind of two things that you can do. One is to, rub your hand over the glue and see if you can get it off. And the other is to put a piece of wax paper between the layers, and that will keep them separate until the glue dries. Okay. When you're fussy cutting quickly like this, a lot of times you end up with whites around the edges. I should have tried to cut this a little closer the first time, but I didn't. So then if you just take your distressing ink and go around the edge, kind of makes the white go away. And I'm not caring about the bottom here because it kind of has a, guess what? I do care a little bit about the bottom if I'm going to put it at the top. So let's just... Okay, let's put this... If this was cardstock, I would have it you could have it hanging over the edge. But since it's just paper, if I have it hanging over the edge, it'll bend up and stuff. But I don't mind if there's a little hole here peeking out. See, it actually could be kind of cute. Okay, let's see. This one I'm just gonna fussy tear out. It's, and put down here. Okay, my 10 minutes is done. So this is obviously not done. I want to do a little bit more decorating on it. But that's pretty good for 10 minutes, I think. So, fun little challenge. I want something bigger. Like that. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and put this here. And this I can also just slightly fold over the edge to cover up that edge a little bit if I want to. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to stop this. I may do a little bit more of it and on it. I probably will, as a matter of fact. But you can see you can kind of make a cute something, and this is going to have a tag in it. So this is as big as this is. That would work. I wonder where the halfway point is. The halfway point would go all the way down inside, which is, you know, not necessarily a bad idea. But anyway, thanks for coming along on this little quick trip with me. It was fun. And I hope you enjoy this challenge. I'm probably going to do some more off and on. I've got a busy day today, so I just thought I'd do something. Thanks for watching my channel, Raccoon Alley Creations. And check out some of the other makes in this cute little challenge.